Hi guys, right now we are terrified because we just saw a stroke of lightning hit us, didn't we?
I'm not scared.
Secretly, he is. So guys, as you can see, we're walking down the road quickly. Guys, as you can see, it's raining, thunder and light. Did you guys just hear that? Definitely thunder and lightning. Guys, if you see any lightning, Guys, this sounds like an earthquake.
Sounds like it dropped like an earthquake. Oh, I'm actually looking up into the sky.
Guys, if you see any lightning, post hashtag lightning. And if you hear any thunder, do hashtag thunder. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also don't forget hit the like button.
This cat is scared.
He's scared as a pussycat. But I'm not scared because I'm dead. I'm dead. The assassino.
No, but you said you're scared. Near the start of the thing.
Wait, I'm recording here, dead. What should we go? The creepy way or the nice safe way?
Creepy way.
No, let's go that way.
Okay.
That way.
You're scared of the creepy way.
Let's just go that way, then let's go the creepy way. Eh? No. Cats these days, so stupid.
You're stupider than me. I don't even know what
really?
1 times 19 is.
1 times 19, it's 19.
Yeah, I know that. You don't even know what 65 add 10 is.
75.
Another.
What?
Another 10.
85.
Another 10.
95.
Another 10.
105.
Another 10.
100. 115.
You can't even say it. You're dumb.
115.
Another one.
125.
Another one.
135.
Another one.
145.
Another one.
155.
Another one.
165.
Another one.
175.
Another one.
185.
Another one.
195.
Another one.
205.
Another one.
215. 220. 230. 200.
What did you say?
Go this way. Oh guys, now we'll go down the creepy alleyway. Creepy!
You're creepy. I actually want to see more thunder.
Cats these days don't know anything.
Why
Guys,
do you keep on saying that line? What? You're the one who dropped your phone and cracked it.
yeah, but at least I didn't get so angry I smacked my phone.
Yeah, I did that because the rain was spitting on it.
Oh, yeah. Oh yeah.
At least I wasn't so angry that I peed on myself.
No, I didn't.
You did.
You did. You did. What's that? And guys, also don't forget to hit that like button. I'm trying this out. Do you guys see anything through glasses? Now let's try it. Whoa! Dude! Look at the difference, guys. Look at the difference.
It looks like the devil.
This is how zombies see. Brains. All we need is brains. I want my brains. Give me my brains, mother.
Look at that.
Huh?
Look at that cat.
Oh, pussycats. Huh? Oh, crap. Where's pussycat? Oh, crap. There he is.
Okay, let's go, let's go.
Guys, did you just hear that?
I know it's fine.
No, I think I heard something else. I think it's a You go F-O. Guys, if you see anything weird in the sky, like lightning or anything like that, do hashtag a weird thing in the sky. What?
What are you doing?
Recording for YouTube. Cause I'm a YouTuber. Guys, do hashtag whatever that says. Got it? Good.
Do hashtag you're dumb because you want everybody to know where everything is. Okay, guys.
Guys, we'll be ending this video right here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hold the camera. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget, if you got saw anything in the sky like lightning, UFOs or anything strange, do hashtag weird thing or hashtag whatever you think you saw.
And remember to subscribe to Epic Dad Cat and
Dead
Dead
Assassins.
Assassins.
And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share.